the rumors. Shit's invading like a tumor. Yeah, my ears are consumers of all the mother effing boomers. Tell 'em some people are upset. Do you hear that sound? Nah. Some puppets want the caps and gowns. COVID out here printing, but we all are deceiving. The fact that in this pandemic that we live in requires us to be chilling. Just stop tripping. Saying blood equipment doesn't help. Nah, we keep dying. The world's spinning. These stats gotta stop. Look, I'm not your enemy, but the problems won't vanish with a bottle of Hennessy. Medically, that is a penalty. I'm just trying to prepare mentally. There's no need for no weaponry. Bad memories crawl back on you like it's a centipede. COVID-19, it's about love like it's 13. Killing these people like this is some lean. Hallucinating like it's a dream. I'ma say something that's funny, but I assure you that it's true. And it's that COVID got from China to the US faster than my packages do. I mean, like, man, don't you really understand? Like, what's the plan? You gotta watch your hands. It's not really that hard. Soap is like a guard for your hands and even credit card. Don't be lazy, make them hands shine like a star. If you go, your family will have a scar. Play, please don't leave your body on guard. COVID out here spinning, but we all are deceiving. The fact that in this pandemic that we live in requires us to be killing. Just stop tripping. Saying blood equipment doesn't help. Nah, we keep dying. The world's spinning. These stats gotta stop. I really don't know how much more I could take. My mind gonna break, my mind need a break. This ain't no piece of cake. I need a rest, my head elevate before it gets too hot and detonates. How much more thoughts can penetrate? Well, not much more, I hope, for God's sake. Look, media hyping it up, government hiding something, well, they done it before. So when I think that they hiding some more, but there's nothing that we all know for sure. Where should I bang my head at? On the door or the floor? COVID theories getting indoors, but I just prove that we all real bored. Hashtag flatten the curve, or hashtag flatten the slope. It's like we put up with a stick, and we got the virus in the scope, but the only weapon is soap. We got no bullets to shoot it with, so now we better re-get all the shit and peacefully ride this way like a ship. Now we all stuck with social distancing. It's like nature teaching humans discipline. Are these religious hypocrites right out about COVID's origins? Pandemics repeating themselves like days some weekends. After the situation, the tension started to rise. I take this as a reminder we could also be lit fires. Homo sapiens, but in reality we weren't wise. Just make the right decisions. That's my word of advice. COVID out here spinning, but we all are deceiving. The fact that in this pandemic that we live in requires us to be chilling. Just stop tripping. Saying blood equipment doesn't help. Nah, we keep dying. The world's spinning. These stats gotta stop. COVID out here spinning, but we all are deceiving. The fact that in this pandemic that we live in requires us to be chilling. Just stop tripping. Saying blood equipment doesn't help. Nah, we keep dying. The world's spinning. These stats gotta stop.